It's my birthday today. I'm here with Bitcoin zombie investor Earl.
Yeah, that's
who
me.
Hasn't made enough from crypto yet to get me my Ferrari, but he has gotten me a gimbal. Am I allowed to leave that in?
Yeah.
So, I'm really excited to see how this works. I haven't actually used the gimbal myself on my phone yet, so I do a lot of filming with my phone. Maybe I should do another take.
That's the bad boy just here.
But I think it says that in order to use it for the first time, we need to connect it to the app. It says activate the Osmo Mobile 3 when using it for the first time by following the steps in the DJI Mimo app. So I'm going to have to download the app and then I'll use this today. So what do we have planned for today? We're going to get some jump bikes and we are going to go for a ride, I guess. Richmond Park?
Yeah.
Is that the park? I have never been to Richmond Park yet. Shame on me, I've been in London for about 6 years. So we might go down there and then we've got virtual reality.
Yeah, that's right.
What games do they have there?
I'm not really sure. We're going for the I think they got zombies.
Oh yeah, my favourite.
Hopefully they've got them.
Of course we're going for zombies. Zombie, Bitcoin and zombie investor.
Yeah, it'll be a good day, hopefully.
Earl made some lovely kimchi fritters with some sauce. My friend Anna got me some beautiful soaps and some chocolate. Nice little card.
Gimbal eliminates shake and jitter, giving you smooth video. Osmo Pocket is also your own camera crew. The versatile extension rod gives you even more control of your shot. In selfie mode, the camera automatically enters face track, keeping you in the shot as you explore your surroundings. For filming all your friends, Active Track is now more intuitive than ever. Simply tap on the subject and the camera follows its every move. Put your audience at the front of the action. FPV mode captures a more dynamic perspective, following the gimbal's orientation smoothly for fast-moving shots. Take Osmo Pocket on your underwater adventures with a waterproof case. With Night Shot, capture handheld long exposures and illuminate the night. Osmo Pocket introduces DJI Mimo, a new app that expands your creativity even further. Story mode adds magic to your clips with a variety of templates to choose from.
We are using the gimbal, my birthday present. We are on our way to getting some jump bikes now. So they are separate. There's one about 7-minute walk from here. We're going to grab the first one and then we're going to try to
get the second one.
Get the second. So we're going to try to, okay, I'm still trying to get used to this. Let's see. Nope.
Can you not tell it to center on your face and then...
Right, okay, wait.
Can you not do that thing?
There we go. Nice. Right. Oh, this
Adventure time, Ben and Jake. Okay, we cannot find your assigned vehicle. Oh, great. Okay, so it's not working.
Oh, it's not working?
Serena's loving her new present. Thank you. Raw data, 86%. Steam.
The zombie one.
Bad, I mean, that's like 10 footage.
Here I am where the movie started, facing at a photo they've taken. Space tree flying through the skies and petals happen everywhere.
I just did the virtual reality and I had to leave 7 minutes before the time was up. I had 55-minute session and I had to leave 7 minutes before it was done because I got motion sickness. But overall, the games were pretty fun. We only tried the multiplayer, but yeah, I mean, and yeah. The time really does fly when you're in there as well. It's very interactive and it's very interactive and it's one of the best quality virtual reality places that I've been to so far. So very good. I mean, the quality is great, but of course it's so good that I think your brain thinks that you're really living it, and if you get motion sickness easily, then you might get motion sickness. But one of the ladies who works there told me that it goes away with time. So she had very bad motion sickness the first time, and then she kept doing it, and very slowly she started to get less and less until it disappeared. So it was so much fun that I think I'm going to be coming back a few more times. And what's great is that we got free drinks based on how many points you managed to collect. So it goes into your account and you can redeem so you can exchange these points for free drinks in their bar, which is amazing. So we got some, we were going for kombucha, but they ran out. So many police cars. We were going for kombucha, but they ran out, so we ended up going for an iced tea, which is nice. So it was like an iced tea with coconut water in it and no sugar.
Happy birthday, Karina!
Oh, let's see the socks.
Every single person will get over
Avocados.
I mean, you could say the same for mine, but they're just chocolate. Plus I got a hole in it.
Ho, 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 ho!
Here I am where the movie started, facing at a photo they've taken. Space tree flying through the skies and battles happen everywhere.